So good afternoon, guys. Mm, Welcome to my YouTube channel. Uh, if you like these videos, please just at least just leave a like. Uh, so I'm having an issue with my local server. That is my PHP Laravel 8. Uh, everything seems to be okay. The PHP artisan serve is on. The local server is running, and my local server again is running. Apache is running, and MySQL is running. So now the issue is now it's taking so long to reload, and I don't understand what's going on. So to fix this, what we're going to do is we're going to reset everything. We want to start with our Apache server. Just double click it and stop Apache and stop MySQL. Switch it off. And secondly, let's go to our local server. Control C for Windows and for for MacBook I don't know. I've never used a MacBook before. So once that's done, you can now close the tabs too, just to be sure. Close the tabs. In my case, I'll create a new tab just in case. I'll just do that, and everything must be now set. So now we're going to start the process again. We're going to start this by, okay, yeah, we're going to start this process by executing the MySQL. Yeah, first of all, by typing MySQL or whatever server you use in your search.
A few moments later.
Control panel, execute. And when it starts, make sure you click on the start button for the Apache server and MySQL. I like closing it because it maintains it on the small tray. And once that's done, type PHP artisan serve and then execute. Now the server is on. Let's make sure we copy this into the browser, whatever browser you choose to use. I choose Chrome. There's better features. Then start. As you can see, it's responding better now. Then you can log in, and, and everything is okay. It's relatively slow, but it's better now. It's actually loading. So thank you very much. Please make sure to just leave a like or subscribe if you want. I don't know what to tell you, but that's how it is.